Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we're gonna be doing some mini twists. These mini twists. So let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so today's hair was sent over from QVR. This is their human spring twist hair. I got it in the color 1B/30, 24 inches long. They sent me over 5 bundles in total. This is what it looks like fresh out the pack. It's giving very much so texture, very much so color. I really love this color, and obviously I love the texture. When I was unboxing this, I was like, this is basically spring twist hair, but like human hair. Like the spring twist hair that we all know and love and use, but a human ombre version. Okay, so let's get into the style. Hey girl, hey. You know me, I love to do sections. It makes it so much easier when parting and styling. So try it if you have not already. I'm telling you. So I'm taking the jam and then I'm smacking it around the perimeter of the section we're going to be working on, and then smoothing it out just to keep the hair for that section in place. Then I'm going to start off with my first row. This row is going to have 2 twists, and you know how I do. I love to braid the root and then twist the ends. For me, I like to just do all my parting first and then go back in and do the install. But if you do not and you like to install as you go, then you don't even need to like twist the ends. You could just braid the root just like a little bit, and then just enough like so you could crochet your hair in, and then crochet the hair in and go from there. But like I said, for me, I like to part my whole head first and then go in and style. So I braid the root and then twist the ends, and then do that all throughout my head. This is just a close-up so you can see I'm only braiding it a little bit down and then twisting the rest of the way. Like I said, twisting the end is optional. And for this whole parting process, it does take a little extra time. So if you do want to install as you go, that will save you some time, because the whole parting process took me about 2 hours in total. That's like from start to finish. So yes, now this is what it's looking like once all the parts have been done. I wanted to start off showing y'all a very short broken off part of my hair, because I feel like I've been saying this for the longest. You can do this even if you have short hair. So I'm showing you on a shorter piece of hair. So I'm taking only one piece of the spring twist hair, because this is kind of like on my edges, and then I'm crocheting that in. Remember, our root is braided. As long as you have enough hair to make a little bit of braid at the root, you can do this. I'm taking some leave-in, throwing it on my hair, splitting my hair into 2 pieces like you see right here, and then just twisting and twisting and twisting and twisting. And that is really it. Like I said, as long as you have enough hair to braid at least like a 1/2 inch or an inch, then you can do this style. I forgot to mention, I did add a little bit of jam to the ends of my hair just so that way it could kind of like be tamed and stay in place. But yes, I'm going to continue to twist, and then once I get further down, I'm going to kind of like finger comb out the ends just so it's not like clumped together. And then as I'm twisting, I'm getting some mousse once I get to the very bottom, and then putting it on my fingers and twisting with the mousse. Does that make sense? Like, I'm not just putting it on and twirling it. Like, I'm still twisting with the mousse on my fingers, and then I kind of twirl and then trim as I go. Now, I'm going to do a regular piece. So for the regular twist, I'm going to do 2 pieces of hair. So I only use 2 pieces of hair per twist, aside from the ones that were kind of like close to my edges, because I didn't want them to be too thick. So I'm crocheting the hair in, and then I add leave-in to my hair, and then jam at the ends, and then split my hair into 2, and then repeat the process. You just twist, 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 twist. Now, for the top parts, I do make sure that when I'm using the spring twist hair that I kind of make it a little bit uneven, so we get a little bit of extra length. And again, making sure that when I get further down to the bottom, I'm kind of like finger combing out the hair, because I don't want it to just be bunched together. And then I add some mousse to my fingers and then continue to twist. I twisted this hair all the way to the end, and then I twirled, and then I trimmed if necessary, and then I just repeated the process. Like I said, this is first of all very easy. It also could be done even if your hair is short. I've been saying this for a very long time. Trust me, even if your hair is short, you can do this. So that's pretty much it. This is the final look.
Since 16, I was coming down with Lexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, wake us a library. But if I'm my body.
Okay, so this is the finished look. Are we not in love with the color? Is the color not eating down? I think she is. So y'all know mini twists are another one of those styles that I really like to do. However, it's just one that takes more time. So each section took me an hour each. And for whatever reason, it took me 2 hours to do the parting this time. Normally, I feel like it takes me like an hour, but I did do smaller parts this time, and that was intentional. I just wanted it to look nice and full, like, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, the parting took 2 hours and then an hour for each section, and I have 4 sections, so that was 6 hours in total. But yes, I feel like it came out so cute, and I ended up using 3 of the bundles, so I still have 2 bundles left. They gave me 5 in total. I'm pretty sure I already showed y'all that, so I have 2 bundles left. But yes, I feel like they just came out so cute. I just love this color. At first I was like, am I doing too much with the color scheme today? Because I have on like a beige kind of like sweater that got like brown flowing through it, and then I have on some brown kind of like faux leather pants, and I'm like, girl, too much with the tones, but it's actually very cute. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. Once again, thanks so much to QVR for sending me over this hair and collaborating with your girl on today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in the hair or the company, I will have all of the links to the hair and company in the description box for you to check it out. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, okay?